Are you a DIYer or builder thinking about soundproofing your semi-detached or terrace property? Well, have you thought about that socket on the separating party wall? How are you going to soundproof that socket? Every week we are removing a soundproofing attempt, and nearly every one of them they've cut a great big hole in the wall for the socket. They've cut through those soundproofing layers to reveal a big hole where they can fit the knockout box or patches box for that double socket on that separating party wall. Now, did you know a hole the size of a double socket on the direct noise path can let in 3 to 5 decibels of noise? That's the difference between you hearing your neighbours or not. So what you need to do is put the same dense mass material that you're using on the direct noise path around that socket. Now, you can use specialist acoustic socket boxes that you can buy online. There isn't any putty or anything like that that's going to solve your problem. One thing I recommend is using any offcuts you've got from soundproofing the wall, and use those offcuts to put round the back of the socket. Follow for more useful tips on how to soundproof your semi-detached or terrace property, especially if you're a confident DIY or builder looking to soundproof your own semi-detached or terrace property.